Holy crap, the markets are insane. Insanely boring, that is. If you think this is what a market top looks like, then you definitely weren't around during the 2021 bull run. I think we still have some way to go, and I think there are certain sectors in crypto that are just getting started, and one of those is AgentFi. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting narratives in the AI space right now, and a lot of people are still sleeping on it. Just like how AI has woven itself into every corner of tech, AgentFi is about to do the same thing in crypto. At its core, this sector is focused on AI-powered agents that can act on-chain. Things like making trades, managing portfolios, providing liquidity, lending capital, betting on markets, and even reading sentiment to make smart moves for you. These agents are handling it all. Now, here's the thing. When we talk about new narratives like this, it's easy to just lump them all together under one label. But AgentFi isn't just one thing. It's actually a collection of different sectors, and each sector has the potential for major opportunities if adoption keeps growing. So in this video, I'm going to break down the biggest parts of AgentFi, share some projects I found, and show you how they could shape the next wave of the bull run. But before we dive deeper, I noticed only 20% of you are subscribed with bell notifications on. So if you want to catch narratives like AgentFi before they go mainstream, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss all the alpha. All right, let's zoom out and look at the big picture for the market. So the S&P 500 just hit another all-time high, breaking 6,500 for the first time ever. And it makes sense why. The US economy beat expectations in the second quarter of 2025. GDP growth was 3.3%, beating the expectations of 3%. This was from increased consumer spending and business investments, especially in the AI sector. Basically, this shows some steady growth even after adjusting for the noise caused by tariffs, wars, and other headlines. And that's impressive because we know how volatile crypto can get from this news. That's why with this type of price action, it helps to have a platform where you can trade more than just crypto. I use BTCC because they offer tokenized commodities like oil along with crypto futures. They have low fees, no KYC, and a smooth interface. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below, and you can get a 10% deposit bonus up to $10,000. There's also been some pretty big news with Chainlink. The US Department of Commerce is now partnering with Chainlink to share economic data directly on chain. This includes GDP info and more. Some of the chains on board with this include Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, and even Pyth for some reason. This is pretty big because it sets a norm for the government to publish their data somewhere fully transparent and unchangeable. Hopefully they follow the same path with their tax spending data, because I'd love to see what the government is doing with all those tax dollars. But regardless, it's a great sign to see blockchain adoption improve more and more, especially with the government, since we need them on board if we want to keep tearing down those strict regulations. All of that is going to be bullish for crypto in the long run, and with how alt season tends to work, we're hopefully going to see this increased liquidity finally trickle down into some of our favorite sectors, like AgentFi. So let's talk about it. Agent finance is a new idea in crypto that mixes AI with DeFi. The goal is to let AI agents act like assistants or even independent players in the crypto market. These agents can hold wallets, trade coins, provide liquidity, lend or borrow, and make investment decisions without needing humans to constantly micromanage them. The main focus is automation. So instead of traders sitting at their computers all day, AI agents can work faster, make fewer mistakes, and follow strategies automatically. This makes things easier for regular users and more powerful for institutions that want to manage large amounts of money. But here's the thing. There are a few different types of AgentFi agents out there right now. First off, we've got trading and portfolio optimization agents. These are agents designed to trade for you, rebalance your portfolio, and handle risk management. One of the leaders here is Griffin, which built a full AI agent engine that can snipe token launches, manage trades across dApps, and even buy real-world products. Then we have liquidity agents. These agents focus on earning money through farming liquidity pools. They'll help you move money between different liquidity pools to get the best profits from fees while managing risks. A good example is the project Giza with their agent called Arma. Arma constantly scans every lending pool in real time, scores which options are the best, and automatically moves funds around to maximize earnings. Then we have lending agents. These agents are focused on earning yield from lending money. They watch where money can earn the best interest and automatically move funds around while controlling risk. One of the simplest projects I found in the sector is Axel. It's a savings platform that moves your money across different lending protocols to try and maximize returns. And then there are prediction markets and betting agents. Now, I don't think there's any betting AI agent that can consistently beat out the rest of the markets, or else somebody would be a trillionaire by now. But one of the projects that's giving it a shot is called Polytrader. It basically lets you connect to the prediction platform at Polymarket, and it'll give you insights on some of the different bets that are available there. At the very least, it can give you some good alpha that'll help you make your decisions. Then we finally have sentiment and TA agents. You probably know some of these, especially AIXBT, which has gotten pretty big on Twitter. It can scan social media, news, blockchain data, and charts to come up with some pretty solid alpha. So this is a great tool for those who need to keep up to date with any important moves in the crypto world. But if you'd rather have a team of researchers do that for you, then you know that my team and I share TA, alpha, market updates, guides, and more every single day inside the FireHustle VIP Discord. We're always cooking things up in there and sharing strategies. The community there gets the advantage of seeing everything develop in real time instead of waiting for the YouTube video to drop. So if you want to level up, then check out the link in the description below. The feedback has been absolutely amazing so far, so I recommend you come and try it out for at least a month. So to wrap this all up, AgentFi is showing us how fast crypto is moving into real-world automation. We've got trading and portfolio agents like Griffin running complex strategies on-chain, liquidity agents like Giza's Arma moving funds between pools to grab the best yields, lending agents like Axel simplifying passive returns, betting tools like Polytrader giving prediction insights, and sentiment trackers like AIXBT scanning the entire space in real time. Each one is tackling a different piece of the puzzle, but together they paint the bigger picture of how AgentFi could transform the way we deal with crypto. The market may feel slow right now, but building never stops. Governments are warming up to Web3, institutions are flowing in, and new narratives like AgentFi are clearly setting the stage for the next major wave. So if history tells us anything, the early adopters who pay attention before the crowd usually see the biggest upside. And that's it for today. Remember, just because I'm talking about these projects doesn't mean you should blindly invest in them. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risk before making any investment decisions. The purpose of today's video was to just give you more insights on the different types of projects building within AgentFi and not seeing AgentFi as just one category. If you want to go deeper with real-time setups, watch lists, and strategy breakdowns, then come and join me in the FireHustle VIP Discord. The link is in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.